There is a land on this earth with more colours than the spectrum can hold, where the people's souls beat vibrance from the young to the old. A place with culture more diverse than the strings on a guitar, where stories of great power live and travel so far. Many faces in this land believe in great spiritual energy and healing. Some devote their entire lives to its grasp. It is said that if there was any kind of ancient magic to have ever existed, that this could be the origin of its birthplace. While the elders prayed for good health and greater days ahead, two friends and I were preparing for the biggest celebrations in all of India, and perhaps in the world. A celebration of life, of the children, their families. The good and the greatness of the gods and legends stories that have shaped India. The celebrations of Holi. When the colourful chaos of the Holi celebrations was over, Eric, Vunki and I found solitude in the peaceful town of Orcha, where we would then venture to some of the most famous locations in all of India. Agra, home to the Taj Mahal, and Varanasi, a colourful city full of cultural diversity and a strong spiritual presence. Even though we didn't see any real magic on our journey, we felt it in the people and each place we visited. Perhaps it is something that only the most enlightened can truly see.